Oh my god, you guys, I am freaking out. I am freaking out like no other. First off, I need to set you guys up only because I cannot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I just wanted to make this intro right here because the vlog is a little bit of a mess because I was too excited every time results announcement, because obviously you panic a little bit, so I was a little bit too all over the place, and I thought I'll just give you guys a little bit of intro. So I wanted to make this vlog about me getting my university results, and then you guys will see ahead like all the celebration that we had in college. But I think I guess I had 2 or 3 scares before the actual results came out, so I'll be inserting those clips first and then the actual day of the result. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, I guess I got my second year results. I don't know, I'm gonna open it right now and see. Like, I'm really unsure. It's what's showing 76549 is not existent. Girl, what's that? So they are saying that it's gonna come today. Like, it's gonna come today since the last 2 weeks, and it's not come, and it's like so irritating at the same time because it's like every day you're expecting but it does not come. Like, come on, how long does it take? Dude, third year's result they released, but they've not released our results. Like, come on, what is your problem? Like, what is your problem? Apparently the results are out. I was studying, and there was some, oh my god, I just sprained my calf. Oh, I am a hot mess right now. I'm sorry, but this is shit. Oh my god, I sprained my leg really badly. Anyway, so I was studying, and there was like some random chit chat going on in the group, and someone like sent eye rolls. I was like, they are getting mad because we had to participate in something which not a lot of us were doing, and someone wrote results are out, and oh my god, I'm freaking out. I'm switching on my laptop. Let me just tell you guys here. This is crazy, you guys. I am not ready for this. I mean, I know it's going to be something decent only, but otherwise also, yaar, thoda to it is scary, na? I have to bear with this bad like shooting angle and all of that. This tripod is also falling. I am freaking out, you guys. I am freaking out. They are saying results are out, but obviously everyone's gonna open it right now, so the site is gonna freeze. And this is the third time. I think I've had 2 or 3 previous scares about the result, and they did not release it, and they said कि अभी 10 to 15 days तक कुछ नहीं करने वाले हैं, and so I was very chilled. And oh my god, I have so much to tell you guys, but just no, I don't know. Let me just open this, okay? So my laptop is working so slow, and I'm internally freaking out. And I know I'm gonna get calls, so oh my god, I am freaking out. So now there's 2 things, okay? So on the MUHS website now, like, when you get to see the college-wise result, where you like they have the list of students, and then they say pass or fail, and the other one is where you get the individual results. So first I'm gonna see that pass or fail. I know I'm passing, but just to calm myself, I'm gonna see that first, and then I'm gonna see the individual result. And they give marks, okay? They don't give percentages. I'll have to calculate that also. So I'm just keeping this phone handy to calculate it. I am internally freaking out like crazy. You guys have no idea. I mean, you can see me. I look like a hot mess. I just washed my hair only 1 hour back. So just guys, please. You all know how I am. And I'm like panicking like crazy. I don't know, I'm happy also. And you know what, actually MUHS does not deserve itna excitement, because just they are a disappointment. Like, with this result, our exams ended in November, like November end में हो गया था, and now BPT is just saying third and final year only. How come then everyone's came? Error. Wow, now they have error, so I'm gonna have to refresh this site like 50 million times. until it loads. I'm talking with you guys right now because I feel like that's gonna calm me down a bit. And since this is not loading also, so I think like talking to you guys is going to calm me down a lot.
Few inches later.
Dude, my results are out and I'm vlogging, but this stupid site is not opening only. No, I am opening it. I just called it because I'm freaking out. I sprained my thigh उसके चक्कर में. Dude, Dev, यहाँ पे तो they are writing third and final year. Oh, okay, should it open? Dude, it open. It open. I am opening college-wise result पहले, not the individual वाला. I don't even know what my college code is. Okay, dude. Let me like. Okay. I hope it opens. Okay, pass. Dude, everyone passed almost. Only like few. I obviously. What are you expecting me to do? Should I open the individual? I am freaking out like crazy. Okay, I'm opening mine. Abhi marks ही होगा. I'll have to calculate the percentage. You calculate the percentage. I'll tell you the total. Okay. Same. Hey, don't turn your video off. Take someone else's phone. Arey, use this only. Take calculator. Na normal calculator don't have one. No, I don't have. Then use someone's phone. Oh my god, I'm opening it. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. 500 out of 700. I think that's bad.
What is that? How much percentage? 71.4.
Oh my god, that is so good. Guys, so I got 71 point something. I also don't know. It's 500 out of 700. Let me calculate it for you guys. I'm really happy. I was expecting about 70 anyway because definitely I had to work hard, but I feel like they've still given average marks for theory. 71.4%. I was expecting a little bit more, like around 72, 73, but okay, not gonna be sad. I'm really happy. Let me just show you guys what it is. This is where my total is 500 out of 700, and these are all my marks. So I don't know if I've got distinction in any. I think you need 50% or what, how much, 75%, I also don't know. I think about 140. So this is distinction, you guys, so finally calm after this storm. But yeah, I am extremely happy. I worked really hard to, my goal was that I anyway have to get above 70 because last year I was on 69, and that is a terrible feeling. So I worked really hard, and it was my goal that anyhow I have to get 70 plus, and that is where I ended up, and I'm extremely happy, though I am a little bit unsatisfied. But यार ये तो सबके साथ होता है, हमेशा ज़्यादा ही चाहिए.
Tomorrow.
And in this difficult situation, we all have really done well. Your results are very good, and we are really happy. That type of coordinators is also very special. But first 100 back for us, and it was really special.
Hi.
Hello.
ના હું લઈ લઈશ જે લેવાનું છે એ કહી દે. To the one who is watching this, I know you are. Thank you so much for sending this in. You totally did not have to do this for me. Thank you so much. So yeah, that was that. I had my results, like all those scares, and finally I got my results. And we had the celebrations the next day. It was really good. Like it was so long awaited, and we gave our exams between the pandemic also. In case you guys didn't know, so I had my exams in November, and they were offline exams. So it was quite a difficult time for us, but finally we made it through. And also, in no way like this video is, me boasting about like my marks or anything, but it's just that I want to share every single thing I can from a part of my life, like all my experiences and everything with you guys, and be like completely honest and transparent with you guys. So there was something, a happy moment in my life, an important moment in my life, and it was something that I accomplished, after 9 months of hard work. So I think I deserve to be this happy, and I deserve to be, this like proud and feel so accomplished because I worked hard and I got something. So I just felt that, I would love to share it with you guys, and I would in future also love to look upon this journey from where all of this started and everything. So I guess, yeah, I hope you guys liked it. That is pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.